MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hello students, with this experiment we are determining the flash and fire point of the given bitumen sample. Apparatus: Penske-Martin's closed tester and Penske-Martin's open tester. Flash and fire point test is a safety test conducted on a bituminous material so that it gives an indication of the critical temperature at and above where precautions should be taken to eliminate fire hazards during its applications. Bituminous materials leave out volatiles at high temperature depending upon their grade. These volatile vapors catch fire, causing a flash. This condition is very hazardous, and it is therefore essential to qualify this temperature for each bitumen grade so that the paving engineers may restrict the mixing or application temperature well within the limits. Flash and fire point test is conducted as per IS 1209. As per IS 1209, the definitions of flash and fire point are: the flash point of a material is the lowest temperature at which the vapor of substance momentarily takes fire in the form of a flash under specified conditions of test. The fire point is the lowest temperature at which the material gets ignited and burns under specified condition of test. Procedure: pour the bitumen sample into the brass cup. Place the thermometer on the surface of bitumen sample in which the thermometer is coated with glycerin. Start heating the bitumen sample. While heating to a certain temperature, the bitumen sample causes a bright flash which gives the flash point of that bitumen sample. Heating is continued until the bitumen sample catches fire, which gives the fire point of that bitumen sample. Repeat the procedure for 2 or more different samples. Data collection and tabulation is as shown in the table.
Hi students, as a part of Concrete and Highway Laboratory, now we are discussing an experiment called as flash and fire test on bitumen. So there are two methods of conducting a flash and fire point test. One method we call it as a Penske-Martin open cup apparatus. The second method we call it as a Penske-Martin closed cup apparatus. You may ask a question, why this flash and fire point is required? When we are heating the bitumen for preparing the bituminous mixes, we should know what is the maximum temperature a bitumen is supposed to heat up. So if we don't know that, if we simply keep on heating, if it crosses 350 or 400 degrees centigrade, your bitumen behaves as an explosive. So that's why we are supposed to know what should be the maximum temperature that you are supposed to heat up the bitumen. So let us go on to the apparatus required. The first apparatus required is here Penske-Martin open cup apparatus. As I told you, there are two types. Here we are using a Penske-Martin open cup apparatus. Let me go on with the components of it. It's a heating chamber. It's open. Okay. There's a handle. There's a cup for pouring your bitumen. There is a temperature controller. There's a temperature controller. Next, you may use a digital thermometer as well as a thermometer up to 300 or 400 degree centigrade measurement. Both can be used. You want the bitumen and also the hot plate. Now let's start the experiment. So we are going to pour the bitumen into the Penske-Martin open cup. I just poured the bitumen into the Penske-Martin open cup. I am just going to leave approximately half centimeter gap from the top layer. I am going to place this entire assembly on the Penske-Martin heating unit. So what's happening now is your heating is happening, your bitumen will keep on heating. So what we are going to do, what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to take up a thermometer. We should hold like this. After making the assembly, what we are going to do means, at every particular instant, I should take a matchstick and put it to the top layer of the bitumen. One particular temperature, what happens? The bitumen starts appearing the flash. You just observe here. If you keenly observe, the flashing started now. Okay, wait for a minute or two. At some higher temperature, what happens? Your bitumen is going to have a higher amount of flash. See here, you are going to get some amount of flash on the surface of the bitumen. Note down that particular temperature. Whenever there is a appearance of the flash on the bitumen, we call it as a flash temperature. Wait for 2 more minutes and repeat the test. What happens? Some particular time you are going to observe the bitumen, whatever you are having, is going to undergo the catchment of fire. Note down that particular temperature. That particular temperature we call it as a fire temperature. These are the two safety temperature which is very helpful while doing the mixing of bituminous mixes. So this is flash point. So this completes your experiment, flash and fire point test.
At MSR, you mark your imagination.